Welcome back again, guys. So here is this one info, and if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more future updates. So in this tutorial, I want to show you guys the new way of connecting the Telecel Unlimited. Okay, this method is new or is different from the old one, which you have to turn on or you have to connect it to the MTN before you switch it to the Telecel. Okay, so start by turning on the pay as you go service. So you dial this short code *700#. You send. They come and type what 7 with the pay as you go browsing. They choose 1, allow pay as you go browsing. So for my side, I've already turned it on. Okay, but the network bar is not really showing. Okay, so I will have to make the purchase, buy airtime of at least 10 pesos. Okay, so we dial this short code to *110#. Then you send. Then you come to type 3 airtime and bundles. Then buy airtime. Then you choose 1, my phone. Then you enter the amount, which is 10 pesos, so 0.1. You send. So the prompt will come for you to enter your Momo pin. Okay, so let's enter the Momo pin. Good. So I have purchased the 0.10. Okay, so after making the purchase, the network bar will come. Okay, so when it comes, then you go to the HTTP custom. Okay, so if you don't have it, you can get it on Play Store. This is the HTTP custom. This is it. So you can get it on Play Store. So you open it, but before you be able to connect it, you have to get the file, the Telecel Unlimited file. So if you don't have it, you can check on my on my Telegram channel, which is one info 2. Okay, this one info 2. There you get free unlimited files. Okay, people are selling it at 30 cedis, 50 cedis and all that, but when you come to my channel, you can get it for free for at least 7 days. So every weekend or every week I update it. Okay, so when you come to the VPN, you click on what? Connect. Okay, like I said, this one is just a straightforward something. You click on connect. After clicking on connect, you come to the log. Okay, then you go to the notification area. Then you turn on what? The airplane mode. So let's go and turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. Okay, so after turning it on, then you turn it off again. Good. So after turning it off, let's wait for some seconds for it to connect. See, it is connected. So this is how simple it is. If you want to learn to create the file yourself too, you can DM me on Telegram. So this is how to go about it. Thank you.